Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Lamborghini Gallardo in Forza Horizon 5. This iconic car is a fantastic addition to any garage, offering incredible performance and style. We'll explore the primary methods you can use to get your hands on it, from lucky spins to strategic purchases. Get ready to add this beauty to your collection and dominate the roads of Mexico. One exciting way to get the Gallardo is through wheel spins and super wheel spins. You earn these by playing the game, completing challenges, and increasing your driver level. While it's a game of chance, super wheel spins significantly boost your odds of landing a rare car like the Gallardo. Keep spinning, and you might just get lucky. Another reliable method is to check the in-game auction house. This is where other players sell their cars, and you can often find a Lamborghini Gallardo available for purchase. Use the search filters to quickly locate it, but be prepared to bid competitively. Prices fluctuate based on demand, so keep an eye out for a good deal. Finally, always keep an eye on the festival playlist. This weekly and monthly event series often features exclusive or rare cars as rewards for completing challenges. The Lamborghini Gallardo might appear as a prize in a future series, so participate regularly to earn enough points. It's a great way to get unique vehicles by simply playing the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.